1992 Kenmore dishwasher. This one's actually built by GE. Actually looks really good too. This is the old motor and pump and sump assembly right here. Just started leaking, but it's 30 years old. So if we come over here, I'm gonna show you this tag real quick. If I can get it to zoom in and focus. You can read that, because it doesn't come in very clear very often. There we go. March of 1992 is when this dishwasher was manufactured. And now, this guy around. It's our brand new wash motor, pump assembly, everything all plumbed in, and it's going through a drain. Runs like a brand new dishwasher. Gotta show you these porcelain baskets. Check that out. That's something you don't see every day.